Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create product photo with AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use Pippit AI. You're going to visit the website guys. This is the website, or actually you can click the link in the YouTube description. I'll put it right there. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how you can create your own product photo. In this website, you will see product photo feature, and this is one of the popular features in the Pippit AI. And then here guys, you need to upload your photo. I'm going to upload my photo from my device, and I'm going to use this photo. Okay. And it will consume 2 credits guys, but don't worry, you can earn the credits for free by completing some tasks. And I'm going to choose the model. I'm going to choose floating. Okay, once you choose the preset, you can click on generate, and you will need 2 credits. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the result, and I'm going to choose this one. And if we want to download it, we can click on download photo right here, choose the format and choose the size. I'm going to remove the watermark and click on download. Okay guys, and that's how we can create product photo with AI for free. Don't miss it guys. I hope that you can try the Pippit AI from this website. And don't worry, for the link to join Pippit AI, I'll put it on the YouTube description. So make sure that you try it by yourself. Okay, that's all from me guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.